Hi friends, I am Sai Chaitanya. Welcome back to my channel Sai Techer. In today's video, I'll try to do the PUBG battery draining test on the Realme Narzo 30 Pro device. And these are the conditions which I'll be using during this kind of test, as you can clearly see here friends. So I'll follow strictly this kind of conditions only throughout the video, and I'll be playing the game continuously from 100% to the 0% without stopping. I won't just keep running and keep the phone side, but I'll try to play continuously the game friends. So make sure to hit like, and the likes for this video target will be 500 likes, so make sure to hit like. And also don't forget to support me friends by subscribing and sharing my videos with your friends, because it takes a lot of time and effort in making so many videos on this one particular phone. As you can see, the conditions includes a 50% brightness, smooth and extreme settings, and with a Wi-Fi connection and with the earphones plugged into the phone. So usually I'll try to do the second type of video as well, where I'll try to include 4G connection and with 100% brightness. So that is another extreme test which I'll try to do, but I thought of making two different videos, because a lot of users, some users they like at 100% and some users they want at 50%, and they want 4G and they want 5G. So that's why I thought of dividing into two separate videos to make it very easy for the users. So right now you can see friends, I'll try to record the battery percentage for every 1 hour, how much it's decreasing, and I'll try to even record the temperatures as well during this time, how the temperature is behaving in this particular Realme Narzo 30 Pro smartphone. And don't forget to check the links in description friends for more videos on this Realme Narzo 30 Pro. You can find so many amazing videos which are already uploaded on each and every smartphone, as you can see. So since I got a lot of mobile phones, I'll try to upload so many videos and so much in-depth tips and tricks on each and every phones. So make sure to subscribe and stay tuned for more future phone updates. So let's begin the test. First thing is that let me try to show you. And one more thing, I forgot to mention what type of refresh rate I am trying to use. So as you can see friends, the screen refresh rate is at 120 Hz. So the PUBG game only supports the 60 Hz refresh rate. So let me try to change to the 60 Hz. If you want 120 Hz refresh rate, even though the PUBG game doesn't support, but in case if you want, so make sure to comment below. Definitely I'll try to include in the next upcoming videos depending upon the response I get. And the Wi-Fi is connected successfully, and the 50% brightness, so let me try to select the 50% brightness. So 50% brightness is also selected. And one more thing is that to play the smooth and extreme settings, you need to have the GFX tool installed. The smooth and extreme settings is not possible, so if you play the game directly without the GFX tool. So let me try to show you friends what happens, what is the actual graphic settings you are getting in this phone without using any kind of GFX tool. So if you don't use any GFX tool, you get only smooth and ultra settings. So even though the phone processor is of Dimensity 800U, even though it is very powerful enough to support high-end games at high graphics, but still the game got restricted only to the smooth and ultra settings. So this is one thing you need to remember before buying this phone. So let me try to quickly show you the settings, so which is right now available. So without using any kind of GFX tool, so no GFX tool used, only smooth and ultra settings. So these were the settings you can play. So that's why I need to download the GFX tool and to make it work. So let me try to quickly change the settings all to the smooth. So graphics is set to the smooth, and FPS is, let me try to set to the default what it is there. And all the settings I'm trying to use, as you can see here, high and extreme. So I'll be following strictly these methods only. I did choose the smooth and extreme settings. So let me try to start the game right now. So let me close the game. So I did close the game again. As you can see, the game is closed, and let me try to run the game again. So right now I'll be using the Wi-Fi connection. One is done, 50% brightness is set, and 60 Hz refresh rate is also set. And now the final thing is to set the smooth and extreme settings. So once this is done, I'll try to test the temperature before the test, and I'll try to record the temperature again after 1 hour. So this video can be very long and lengthy video, but you need to observe the battery decreasing for every 1 hour. So that is a really good observation, because the battery will start decreasing in the beginning, but later on it will try to be okay. So that's why you need to watch for every 1 hour how is the temperature and battery is behaving. So meanwhile, I'll try to cover the real-time FPS meter, how much I'm getting as well. So in case if you are thinking of that, how much is the FPS meter in the beginning and what is the FPS meter in the end of the video, so you will completely know in this complete test. So this will be the very good comparison friends to test the battery of this capacity, 5000 mAh of battery capacity. So right now, as you can see friends, I'm choosing the smooth and extreme settings only. The 90 FPS, I'll try to make another video how you can get the 90 FPS as well. That is for the another video. So let me try to do in another video friends. So right now I'm trying to select the smooth and extremes. So smooth and extreme is selected successfully in all the settings, and let me try to start the match. As I said, the 90 FPS I'll do very soon the video on that particular topic, so make sure to subscribe and stay tuned for that video just in case if you're curious how to get the 90 FPS. So right now the real-time FPS I'll keep on tracking on the top. So yes, you can get the 90 FPS in this phone by using the GFX tool. I'll try to make a video, so don't worry friends. So right now you can see it's playing around 60 FPS right now consistently without any kind of issues. So in the beginning it will be same thing like this. So let me try to disconnect the charger and connect the earphones, and let me try to grab quickly the alarm clock, sorry, clock here, and stopwatch is started, and the volume is set to the 50% volume is set, and the temperature reading in the beginning of the test is about 33 degrees, and I won't even turn on any kind of AC. 33, 34, so 34 degrees is the maximum recorded temperature, and the back side as you can see. So this is a Realme Q2 model, that's why you're seeing this kind of Realme brand on the back side. So Realme Q2 and the Realme Narzo both are kind of same exact models. So 34 degrees is the beginning temperature. So again I'll be back friends after 1 hour, so we can compare the temperatures how it is after 1 hour. So right now you can see here friends, it's been exactly 1 hour of continuously playing the PUBG game in this Realme Narzo 30 Pro. So which I'm using the same kind of settings, 50% brightness only and with the earphones connected. So let me try to quickly show you what is the battery percentage right now after 1 hour. So as you can see friends, after 1 hour the battery decreased to 88%. So as I said in the beginning, the battery life will be similarly like this, but later on the battery will decrease very fast. So let me try to quickly write down the battery percentage and write down the temperature reading. So if you remember in the beginning it was I think 34 degrees. So right now it's 41.9. So 41.9 at 42. 42 is the highest degrees which got recorded, and backs are also 40. So overall friends, 42 degrees got recorded highest so far in this phone. So these are the statistics for the first 1 hour only, as you can see friends. So let's see whether the phone will be able to maintain this 40 degrees or will it increase to 50 or not after 1 more hour. So again I'll be back after 1 more hour. So let's see friends what will be the battery results are. As you can see friends, it's been slightly more than the 2 hours. I forgot to record the video, so I was playing the match continuously. So let me try to quickly show you the temperature is at before that let me try to show you the battery percentage. So first let's see the battery percentage. So 72. So maybe when the time is around 2 hours, I think the battery percentage might be 73. So I'll try to give the points to 73 since I recorded this video after 4 minutes. So let me try to write down the readings of the battery percentage. So 73%, and temperature is about 40.5, 40.9. So overall it's 42. Still I can see the 42 degrees as well near the top portion of the camera. So same temperature it's trying to remain the maximum 42 degrees. So it's not going above 42 degrees right now. So again I'll be trying I'll be back after 1 more hour. So let's see friends, again in 1 more hour how much battery can be decreased. And during this time I'm trying to play the game, and I'll be keeping it only at 50% of the brightness only. I won't increase the brightness. So let's see friends in the 3 hours how much the phone can give us. As you can see friends, it's been exactly 3 hours of continuously playing the PUBG game in this Realme Narzo 30 Pro. So let me try to quickly show you the results of the battery, how much the battery percentage it is. So right now the battery percentage is of 57%, as you can see friends clearly 57. So for the first 3 hours, this is what the battery statistics are. So let me try to write down 57%. So after 3 hours of playing the game, the battery decreased to 57%, and let me try to show you the battery temperature how much it is. 44 degrees as you can see, it reached to 44.5. so this is a maximum recorded temperature, 44.5 degrees. So again I'll be back friends after 4 hours. So let's see in the 4 hours how much the phone will get drained. So it's been more than 6 hours friends continuously playing the PUBG game in the Realme Narzo 30 Pro, and still it has got some of the battery left. So let me try to quickly show you what is the battery remaining after I think 6 hours and 29 minutes, as you can clearly see. So overall, right now the battery percentage is of 3% exactly. So the temperature reached about 44 degrees at the end, as you can see friends, at the end of the test, 44.6. So overall you can play up to 6 hours and 30 minutes. As a round figure I'm giving the time, so 6 hours and 30 minutes for this phone, so which has a 5000 mAh of battery, and the temperature reached up to maximum 44 degrees. So this is a complete chart for the battery drain on this Realme Narzo 30 Pro. You can see how the battery is decreasing throughout this time, and the temperature remained about above 40 degrees throughout the time continuously, as you can see friends. So these are the results for this phone. In the next video I'll try to do the test with the 4G data and with 100% brightness and with 120Hz refresh rate as well. I'll try to follow all those settings, and I'll try to do a stress test on this phone. And this is a complete review friends, and for more videos make sure to subscribe and follow me regularly. And thank you for watching this video friends, and see you in the next video. Until then, bye.